So what does managing our sexual energy mean? So, for example, if you want to learn how to ride a horse, you first have to get the horse to agree. That's what we mean with managing sexual energy. So sexual energy is essentially wild, untamed, uninhibited. It's the drive that creates life itself. So it's a primal force that is stronger than any other force in nature. And managing that force is an art. So you want to reach a point where you are in charge of your sexual energy. Your sexual energy is not in charge of you. So this means that you make conscious choices regarding your sexuality with respect for your own boundaries and those boundaries of the others. So it means that you can guide yourself when it's inappropriate or maybe risky to give in to sexual temptation. It means that you are aware at all times of where your sexual energy is and what it is doing. So managing sexual energy is completely different from suppressing sexual energy. Suppressing sexual energy is by definition impossible. If you try to suppress it, a pressure cooker effect will occur, and this sexual energy will eventually burst out in an uncontrolled manner, or it will make you maybe uncomfortable or even sick. So managing means that you don't let things get to that point. So two important aspects of managing your sexual energy are sexual safety and sexual richness. So the themes of sexual safety are linked to, for example, the pornographic fixation of the man, the vision, for example, and the facilitation of this by the women in the way they dress or act with them. So sexual wealth is like the development of new orgasmic capacities and the development of an age-appropriate sexual identity, respectively.